Good morning student. Now I will explain you the third practical and it is from the chapter osmosis. Now for the osmosis process I will explain you the osmosis process in osmoscope. Now I will show you what is osmoscope. This is the peeled potato. I have taken this peeled potato and I make the half. Cut the potato in two half and in one half make a scoop by using knife, or you can also use the pin, and in this way you make the scoop in the half potato without damaging its outer wall. Make it very clear that while making the scoop in the potato, the outer wall should not be damaged, because the osmosis process takes place through these walls, so it should not be damaged. In this way make the scoop in the potato. See, I have made the scoop in the potato. Now in this scoop pour the sugar solution, 30% sugar solution in it. This is the 30% sugar solution. Now pour the sugar solution in the scoop. Don't pour the whole solution, only half scoop should be filled by the sugar solution. Now mark that with the help of this pin. Mark the level of sugar solution in the scoop with the help of this pin and put this whole osmoscope in the beaker in this way. In this way, put the osmoscope in the beaker, and this beaker is having water solution in it. This beaker should have water solution, only water, plain water, pure water in it, and with the sugar solution, put the osmoscope osmoscope with sugar solution in the beaker. After few hours we will see the pin where we marked the level of sugar solution, it dipped. The level of sugar solution rises in the scoop. This shows that water moves from the beaker into the scoop. Means what osmosis explains? Movement of the water molecules from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. In sugar, the water concentration is low as compared to the water solution in the beaker. So water moves from the beaker into the scoop through the walls of the potato. And in this way it explains the osmosis process. Means the walls of the potato acts as a semi-permeable membrane. So water moves from its higher concentration to its lower concentration, means from a beaker to the scoop through the walls of the potato, which acts as a semi-permeable membrane. In this way, this osmoscope explains the process of osmosis. In this way, I have explained you the third practical that you have to write in your practical manual. Now, we will meet with the fourth practical of photosynthesis and transpiration in next class. Till then, thank you.